Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited about today's video because we are kicking off all of the Christmas content here at the Simplistic Home. I wanted to start out my Christmas season with something that I absolutely love sharing, which is thrifted decor. So what better way to kick off the Christmas season than to share my thrifted Christmas decor? Over the years, I've been able to find some fantastic pieces to incorporate into my home during the Christmas season, and I think that you guys will absolutely love these pieces. I know you guys really enjoy secondhand shopping as much as I do, so I wanted to show you everything that I have found from this year and years past that I cannot wait to incorporate into my home this season. But before we get started with that, I do want to talk to you guys about today's sponsor, which is Lubona. Lubona is an indoor and outdoor furniture company that sells a wide variety of items that are amazing quality. They have things like dining room chairs, bar stools, ottomans, truly a little bit of everything, and they have great quality outdoor furniture as well. I do have some pieces from them that are outdoor related, but today we ended up getting some bar stools from them and I love them. They are so pretty. They are a black leather with some black legs and also a little bit of brass detailing, and they pop so well up against the white shiplap in our dining room. These were a set of 4 for only $209, which in my opinion is a great price. They also come in a variety of colors as well, and I do have a 15% off code for you guys, so be sure to use that if you plan on purchasing from Lubona. You truly will not be disappointed. These are so nice. Be sure to use that 15% off discount code. I will have it here on the screen and I will also have it down in the description box as well. We absolutely love our bar stools. They are beautiful. I really love the black color. I think it goes perfect in our dining room and I am super excited to have them in our home now. But now that we've talked about that, let's go ahead into the rest of this video. I'm going to start diving into all of this thrifted Christmas decor. I am so excited. Okay, I'm just going to start picking apart some things here and there. For starters, we're going to go ahead and start with these beautiful brass picture frames that I found. So the picture on the inside was not thrifted. I'll get into that here in just a second. But I did thrift several different brass frames. I love the detail on top of these. I actually shared these in a recent thrift haul for fall, but I wanted to show you guys what you can do with these for Christmas time. So I ended up getting on Etsy and just printing off some prints. Just bought like a PDF on there. They're super inexpensive. I'll get into that in a later video as well, but I just wanted to show you guys that if you can thrift some really pretty frames, you can just get on Etsy and put some pictures in there. But these are beautiful. These frames were only $1 a piece. Of course you can do this with any season, but I love the little detail on the top of this one, and I just ended up putting this beautiful print in there. Super excited to incorporate this year. I also have this frame as well. So this one is a little more gold, but I just think it is stunning. And just look at the picture on the inside. I think it's beautiful. This winter landscape with the reindeer, I think it's gorgeous. And then I have one more that is a Christmas tree, which I absolutely love. So all of these came, like I said, from the thrift store for $1. These frames are such an easy way to kind of elevate photos and just elevate your home in general. I love the brass look, and just simple touches like this I think are key to incorporating different elements into your home with different texture and color. I think these are so beautiful, like decorated together. You can kind of layer them and whatnot, tons of different ways, but whenever you see my decorate with me videos, you will definitely be seeing these throughout my home. Another one of my favorite finds, this actually came from a vintage market, I believe, is this little brass horn. So how cute is this? I think this is so cute. I found this at a vintage market probably 2 or 3 years ago now, and it was only $5, and I love this. I find these at vintage markets frequently. I actually saw another one back in the fall, and we have a vintage market coming up next weekend actually that I'm very excited to go to. It's the same local market that I love going to. I actually purchased this at that market a couple years ago, like I mentioned, but you just can't go wrong with these items. This is definitely something that is a Christmas staple in my opinion, and that you can style with any home decor style. Okay, moving along, I have some candlesticks. So I actually found these like a week or 2 ago at Renew, the thrift store that I work at, and they are these cranberry colored candlesticks. So I know that this like twisted candle look is very popular. I honestly bought them for the color, but it's just a bonus that they have a little bit of texture to them. I think they're really pretty. They're definitely coming up more of a red, but they are definitely more of a like cranberry color, and I think they're beautiful. But I wanted to show you guys how you can style them. Obviously I love brass, and I just think that the rich like cranberry color in the brass candlesticks are stunning. So love these. I think these are so pretty. You can find these at a lot of different stores, but also check your thrift stores to see different candles that you may stumble across. But I love these. I think these are beautiful, like I said, and I think these were only like $1 or $2 for the set, which is pretty inexpensive in my opinion for some really good quality candlesticks. These are unscented, but I just really love the color and I think that they're perfect for Christmas. Okay, sticking with the brass theme, you guys know I love brass candlesticks, so I had to incorporate them into this haul. But not only can you look for brass candlesticks while thrifting, you also need to keep an eye out for some battery operated candles. So I do have one here that I want to show you guys. This one was actually not thrifted. I have a bunch that were thrifted that I cannot find. I don't know where they're at, but I wanted to show you these. So these will just go in these candlesticks perfectly. I love them. The glow on here is beautiful, but you can definitely always keep an eye out for these in thrift stores. A couple of years ago, I hit the jackpot and I was able to find like 10 of them for like $1 each, and they were beautiful. But I just wanted to show you the combo here of the battery operated candle and the candlesticks. I think these are just beautiful and I love the glow on here. I will have these linked down below. Again, these are not thrifted. I found these on Amazon, so I will have my Amazon storefront link down below for you guys. That way you can go and check it out if you're interested in purchasing these. They're very inexpensive for like a set of 6, I believe. But nonetheless, I just wanted to give you the little visual here for what that would look like in the thrifted brass candlestick. But I love these. These can go anywhere. I love to keep them on my fireplace mantle. I also love to style them on my dining room table in a centerpiece, coffee table, on my buffet, literally anywhere. But with the candles at night during Christmas time, it's just beautiful and I love the glow. Okay, switching it up from the brass theme that we had going on there. I do love to look for like little Christmas trees or just different things that just really speak to me and that are something that I can't find typically in a store or like the exact look that I'm going for. So a few years ago, I was again working at the local thrift store and I came across this little Christmas tree and I love this. I know they will come out with like different versions of this at different stores throughout the holiday season, but something about this one was just unique to me. I think it's because there's not like a lot of branches. It's not like super thick, and I also love the darkness of this wicker basket, and it does have like the faux dirt on the inside. But I found this at the thrift store several years ago for like $3 or $4, and I love it. I think it is just so cute. This is definitely a really good piece to like pop on your kitchen counter next to your sink in a bathroom. Do this on your coffee table, your fireplace mantle, literally anywhere. It's the perfect size. But definitely always keep an eye out for those unique Christmas trees that you might not be able to find in store, at least for a good price. But I do love this. I've never seen one identical to this in store. Typically, if I find trees like this in the thrift store, it's like, oh, they found that at Walmart, or oh, they found that at Target, you know, Hobby Lobby, something like that. But I never seen this identical one, and I absolutely love it. So I thought this was a great find, and I love using this every single season. One of my all-time favorite finds for Christmas are these wooden pipes. So I think that these are just super cute. So oddly enough, my mother-in-law was selling some stuff on Facebook Marketplace a couple of years ago, and she found these and was selling them, and I told her, I said, I have to have those. That would be so cute for Christmas. So I ended up getting these from her. They were like $5 for the set of 3. But if you are ever at a thrift store or an antique store or anything like that, I think pipes are just really pretty, really unique finds to incorporate into Christmas decor. With these, I have styled these on like a little gold, like a little brass like bowl that I also thrifted before. Just put like a wreath underneath of it and just kind of styled it that way, which I loved. You can also just pop these in like a little holder, like a container, and just have them kind of sticking out. But I just love having the whole thing displayed. I just think it is so cool. Or also, if you wanted to like make your own little snowman or something, this would be really cute to stick in there as decor as well. But I just love these. I think these are super unique. Moving along to the next thing that I have found this year. I absolutely love this piece. When I saw it, I thought I have to have that. It is too cute. So I found this cute little Santa mug. I know that the Santa mugs are very popular, but I've never seen one like this before. I love the coloring on it and the detail around the top. I think it is so pretty. It just has like some holly and berries, and there's like some greenery and like twigs throughout. It's almost like a garland look, and I love that. I think it is so, so cute. He does have the little glasses with the cherry red nose and cheeks, and I just think that this is so sweet. So I love this one. This is actually the only Santa mug that I have, but I just love this one. I think it is super unique, and it was only $1. So even better, keep an eye out for some really unique, cute Christmas mugs. I feel like every single Christmas when I'm in the thrift store, I'm able to find so many unique items that I've never seen before. So mugs are always a fun one. I think a lot of people love like collecting them this time of year and just incorporating new Christmas mugs and drinking coffee, hot chocolate out of them every single day. So anyway, this was a great find. Super pleased with this one. And like I said, only $1. Just have a couple more things to show you guys. Next up, I do have a little container here filled with bells. So I know that you can purchase these bells at Hobby Lobby and whatnot, but I was able to find a bunch of them last year at my local thrift store for only like, I think there was like $1 for the container. So I just have them in this little bowl right now. But I love these. I think that these are just so pretty. Love them as bowl filler, and you can just set them anywhere. I'm planning on putting this particular setup next to our couch in our living room, just styled in a little vignette, but I think that these are super cute. You can also paint these and make them look a little more antique if you wanted to. I was planning on doing that with some of mine this year, but I just think that these are so cute. You can get these in tons of different colors and whatnot, but I love these. Definitely a good thing to keep an eye out for at the thrift store. Next up is a candle holder. I'm not exactly sure what the technical like name for this is, but it's the candle holder that has the little ring with it. And for some reason, I don't know if it's because it reminds me of like, what is that movie? The Christmas Carol. Anyways, yes, this reminds me of the Christmas Carol. Whenever he's like walking through and he has the little candle holder when he's walking through the hallways and stuff. I think that this is just so cute. I have been able to find multiples of these throughout the years at different thrift stores and whatnot, but you can find them super inexpensive at thrift stores. I want to say this one was like maybe $3. But I love them. It's definitely a really cute, kind of like nostalgic Christmas touch in my opinion. Also those pipes too. Those are super nostalgic as well, but I love this one. I think this is so pretty. It does have a little bit of wax down there, which I think is kind of neat. I actually bought it like that, but I love this. This is super pretty to style on like a book stack or like any kind of table, anywhere like that. But you can also use it as well if you want to, but I think this is just really pretty and a great little Christmas touch. Another candlestick holder. I will probably forever be sharing these because I'm obsessed with them, but I love this like candelabra that I found at a vintage market. This also just screams Christmas to me as well. I love this so much. You guys know that I was able to score 2 of these for like 35 bucks, and this is like true brass. Like it's very heavy, and yeah, but I love these. But originally, whenever I found these twisted candles, I thought that this would be really pretty in here as well. But unfortunately the candles are too big. Since this is more of like an old school, you know, candelabra, it's kind of small. So not all the candles will fit in there, but I love this. I think the detail on this is just stunning. I can go on for days, but I had to incorporate this in today's video because any kind of vintage, very beautiful piece that you can put candles in, perfect for Christmas time. Another thing I wanted to mention, so for tree collars, I am in my living room. This is our family tree behind me. I love like the look of different kinds of tree collars. I know they have like brass ones, different kinds of metals, they have blacks, they have baskets, they have literally anything you can think of at this point. But if you are wanting to kind of save some money and create a tree collar, you can create your own. So what I mean by creating your own is just finding like little things that you can put around your Christmas tree. I've done throw blankets in the past, just kind of like fluffed it out with like knitted throw blankets and whatnot. That's a lot cheaper than buying the knitted like tree skirts and whatnot. So that's an option. As far as what we have right now, a few years ago found a really large rectangle basket from a local kind of like antique store in my area. It's only $7, and to my surprise, our tree fits in it perfectly. So $7, I was able to find a really nice basket that not only can I use outside of Christmas time, but at Christmas time I can put it as our tree collar, and I absolutely love it. So keep an eye out for really cool baskets. Also, one of my favorite thrift finds was a light shade. So kind of like, it was like a glass one and it had wood on it. I stuck a Christmas tree in it and it was perfect for a tree color, like a mini tree color. It was stunning. Probably one of my favorite finds. I was just at the Goodwill one day and I found it up on the shelf and I thought, you know what, that is beautiful. Not quite sure what I'm gonna do with it, but I knew I had to have it. And sure enough, I just stuck a Christmas tree in it and it was gorgeous. So lots of different ways that you can get creative and just decorate your home for Christmas on a budget, but also just have your own unique spin to it. Oh, I almost forgot to show you guys. I don't know how I forgot to show you. One of my all-time favorite Christmas staples that I love to decorate with. This isn't necessarily a Christmas decor item, but for sure something to keep an eye out for when you're thrifting or antiquing, and that is a log holder. I think that these are so timeless. They are absolutely gorgeous, and throughout the years I have been able to find so many of these. I've sold them at different events and whatnot whenever I set up, but I kept this one for myself. I have a couple, but this is my favorite one to use this time of year, and I think it is just beautiful. It's kind of like a brassy, like champagne look, and I love that it has like the claw feet. If you guys can see that or not, but it is just so pretty and timeless. Fill this up with some logs. You can either set it next to a fireplace, set it next to a piece of furniture, your couch, literally anywhere. You can stick this anywhere you want, but I love this and I just think it is absolutely gorgeous. You can find these at all different price points. I found this one, I think it was like $3 or $5 at like a little like yard sale kind of setup, and I've also seen them at Goodwills, just literally anywhere you can think of when it comes to secondhand shops. But I love this. I think that this is for sure a staple at Christmas time. All right, you guys, well, that is all that I have for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this thrifted Christmas home decor haul. Lots of different pieces in here to keep your eye out for whenever you are thrifting and antiquing, and be sure to always try to find the best price that you can. I love trying to kind of price match when I go to different stores and whatnot, and I just think it's fun, and I don't know, just to see like different price ranges that you can get things at. But nonetheless, these were really great staple pieces that I think that would go with any home decor Christmas style, and I'm just super pumped to incorporate them this year. So I can't wait to start decorating my house for Christmas and just showing you all of my ideas. I also have some Christmas DIYs coming up in a video. We're also going to be going to Hobby Lobby, tons of Christmas decorate with me's, just a lot of really fun videos in general. But if there's anything specific that you guys would like to see this holiday season, please let me know down below in the comments, or if there's any specific stores that you would like for me to shop at. I know typically when it comes to shop with me videos, I always hit up places like Hobby Lobby, Target, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, things like that. I do live in a small area, so I don't have like a ton of shops, but some of my favorites to film are these thrifted ones. So if there's anywhere specific that you would like for me to go, either that be the even thrift store or antique stores, whatnot, just let me know down in the comments. But thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to hit that bell notification, that way you're notified every time I post. I'm going to try my best to just pump out tons of Christmas content because I'm super excited, and it seems like everyone is very excited this year as well. Just based off of things on the internet that I've seen, everyone's just really excited this time of year, and it just seems like so much more extra festive this year. So anyway, but thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new. I would absolutely love to have you here, and don't forget to stay tuned for much more Christmas content coming from me. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.